Hey, this is David. Today we're going to replace the element switch on an electric GE range. The element switch controls the electricity flow to the heating elements and allows you to adjust your temperatures at your cooktop burners. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All you're going to need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. Once the power to the range is off at the breaker or it's unplugged, we need to remove the 2 Phillips head screws at each corner of the console. Then we can lift up and back to expose the switches. Once you find the switch you're going to replace, remove the knob and the 2 screws that hold the switch. Then pull it out from the console. Here's the old switch. Here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now you can remove the wires from the old switch one at a time and transfer them to the new switch. Once all the wires are transferred, you can insert the new switch into the hole in the front of the console. To mount the new switch, make sure it is oriented correctly and install the 2 screws. Then install the knob and position the console. Once you install the 2 screws at each corner, you're done. Don't forget to plug your electric range back in or turn the breaker back on. You've made it to the end. Awesome work, and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair turned out. And if you still need a new element switch, jot down your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. It should land on your doorstep in just a few days. While you're here, why not hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? We've got a ton of video guides waiting for you, plus all the parts you could need to tackle repairs yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Your support means the world to us, and we'll see you in the next video.